And you mentioned challenges, and so what are some of the common challenges that the customers that you're dealing with today are experiencing as they're trying to deploy AI into their environments?
There's quite a few, right? Because it's kind of in the name of what I described earlier of high performance architectures. This is very much more like high performance compute environments in traditional HPC and scientific and academic community, right? More than the traditional data center. So the needs and requirements to feed those applications to achieve those outcomes are completely different. And in fact, not only is it the hardware, but it's the software stacks that are completely different. Whether they're open or closed source really doesn't matter. It's that these software stacks are completely different and dynamic and things. I'll just even call this out over the last 5 years, right? We've been working with traditional IT trying to get them to think about containers as opposed to VMs and being able to move in that area, right? And there's big challenges of how do they take advantage of those technologies, right, to empower AI and do that for both traditional IT use cases as well as these new emerging use cases, and how do they have an enterprise-wide, scalable, modular approach to that?
Yeah, I think you're spot on, and I think we see some of the traditional challenges around power, cooling, floor space, all of those traditional challenges that our customers are facing. But I think AI brings a new set of challenges, which is AI is not an event. We don't go do AI. AI is a workflow. What I need for data ingest looks different than what I need for training, looks different than what I need for inference. And many of our customers, we need to go off and we need to educate them that you need to select the right tool for the right job depending on which phase of the AI process that you're in. And I think jointly together, we can go and address some of those challenges for some of these key customers.
I would agree. I'll maybe make one last comment on that because I think you hit upon one very profound thing there. Is the needs and requirements for each of those phases, right? I keep saying, let's pull all of the data science back together. It's analytics, traditional and generative AI together. What are, based on the business outcome and the use case, what's the right data science to apply against that to solve that business problem at the best economic impact? Oh, by the way, which then leads to a completely different set of arcane infrastructure to build that out.
That's right.